Now to our continuing coverage into an embezzlement scheme at a South Dakota educational cooperative. Jury selection got underway just this morning in the first of 3 scheduled trials. Stephanie Huber is facing several charges, including grand theft. Beth Warden from KSOO Radio joins us now here at 5. Beth, you were in the courtroom earlier today. Let's begin with this. Stephanie Huber's demeanor in the courtroom. This is a big day. What was she like?
Very matter of fact. She was not emotional. She was engaged in taking notes, looking at her attorney a lot, looking at the prospective jurors and studying them as well. Not a lot of emotion, scratching her head at times and even looking at the wall. Still seemed to be actively listening though. Much
interaction between her and her attorneys?
I did not see any interaction during the time I was there for several hours.
You know, this is the jury selection phase that we're in right now, which is sort of like a chess match for the attorneys involved. Who do they want sitting on that jury deciding their client's fate? What did they seem to be interested in? Was there any type of pattern in the questions they were asking the prospective jurors?
Well, the defense attorney, Clint Sargent, kept on talking about this phrase about a Monday morning quarterback, saying it's important that jurors think about what was happening at that time rather than all of the details of what has unveiled since then. And as far as Attorney General Marty Jackley, he was talking about more of morals, like if you've ever run a till, if you had a coworker that was a friend and took money from a till, how would you handle that? Have you ever handled bankroll? Those were the primary questions he was asking jurors.
Was there any type of, I don't know what you would call it, demeanor or atmosphere among the attorneys? Did they seem, nervous isn't the right word, but on a case like this, both sides have to be intently focused.
They were focused on their agenda and they seemed to pretty much ignore each other.
Really? All right. And what do you expect? Where are we in the jury selection process, by the way?
They had one grouping that they went through the whole process with this morning, another one this afternoon, and they will continue with that jury selection. According to Judge Anderson, they could start testimony as soon as tomorrow or Wednesday.
All right. Beth Warden from KSOO Radio, a pleasure to have you with us. Thanks for doing that today. Appreciate it.